Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter error 2753, the file not marked for installation while installing a program, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to do is do a disk cleanup. So we'll click on disk cleanup and we will make sure all the files are marked, all these boxes are marked, including temporary internet files and delivery optimization files, downloaded program files, and click on OK. Click on delete files and you will see it will delete the entire cache, and then next you need to make sure that you run the program in compatibility mode. So for example, I have a program or installer called Arc installer. I want to install Arc in my computer. So first I will right click on it and I will click on properties, right click on it, properties, and then click on compatibility. Here I will check this box, run this program in compatibility mode for, and look down. Now if I'm running Windows above Windows 8, for example Windows 10 and Windows 11, then I will go for Windows 8. But if you're running any of these versions here, then click on these versions and click on apply and click on OK. Once you do that, again right click on it and then you click on run as administrator and run this program. Then it should start working. This is 99% of the time these fixes work, but if it doesn't, then we need to re-register the DLL. So for that we'll open the command prompt window, the search bar, and look for the command prompt, click on run as administrator, and then we will re-register DLL by entering the command reg svr32 space vbscript vbscript dot dll reg svr32 vbscript dot dll and press enter, and you see the re-registration of vbscript.dll succeeded and your installation should now work fine. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.